Here's an unpopular opinion. If you are scared of waking up energy inside of your body, don't do Kundalini Yoga. If you are worried about what your religion or God is going to say about stirring up Kundalini energy, do not do Kundalini Yoga. And finally, if you think Kundalini Yoga is about demon worship, don't do it. Simple, solid advice. This is a practice. Kundalini Yoga is a practice, an art, and a science. It is designed to work with your nervous system, your body system, your spiritual self, your emotional self, in order to bring about more awareness. And that's what the ancient traditions were all about, is how do we, as finite beings, interact with the infinite? And that is the spirit and the heart of it. That's what all the practices here on my channel are about. And that's really where this practice originated from, is to create that connection between the infinite and the finite. And yeah, there are lots of religions that will tell you, or lots of other traditions that will tell you this is dangerous. It should only happen through a particular kind of God or a particular kind of leadership. It can't happen if you do it on your own. It won't happen if you do it on your own, or rather, it's dangerous. I think that those places might have scared you to a point where you don't know how to trust yourself. And if you don't know how to trust yourself, this is either the perfect place to be or it's not at all. And so, as you source for new information about how to move your healing journey forward, that you really consider all that you trust and all that you believe in, and make a decision from your heart, not when someone told you, not from fear, but rather from your heart. If you've been led here and you've been led here for healing, then the time is on you to start. If you've been led here and you're doing it to criticize or to prevent other people from working through their best spiritual interests, then you're not in the right place. Lots of love to you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Share. Sat Nam.